Good morning, welcome to Noble Landworks. My name's Steven. This is a sawmill that I picked up at an auction. This is actually a year-old video, I just never posted it. I'm learning or teaching myself, getting in practice of using the controls. I've always had a manual mill, and to be honest, I'm faster on the manual mill at this time when I'm first starting out with this. Like I said, this is about a year-old video. It was winter, it was cold, it was that real cold snap we had last year, or beginning of 2025. Anyways, I had done a job near the end of the year 2024 where we got a bunch of cedar logs. I was thinking or hoping that I would be able to build a sawmill shed out of them, but and I used the single axle to bring them home. They're all cut to 12 feet, and after doing some measuring, realized the mill needs a little bit more space than 12 feet. After you bury some of the log in the dirt and all that good stuff, it just came out to be too short, too tight. The exhaust stack sticks up, and this is a post mill, so not only does the post, the framework that holds the mill take up a lot of space, but the head itself with the engine on top of it goes way up. I think it's over 10 feet tall once it's up in the air all the way. And like I said, if you put some posts in the ground and clean them all up and everything, starting at 12 feet, they end up being too short. You end up with, 8.5, 9 feet of posts and just not enough room to work. So I end up making something else out of it. You'll see it towards the end. It's a arbor or trellis in the yard. There's a little well that the previous owner used to water the cattle in the garden. We don't use it, but I didn't want to tear it out because, pay for it. Might as well keep it around in case you do need it someday. All you gotta do is put the electricity back to it and the plumbing. But we got some wisteria and they're already starting to grow up it. The picture was taken sometime after I got most of it finished. I never did get the top all the way done, but it's missing a couple boards. I had to remill them, which I have done now. Winter of starting first of the year 2026. So anyways, put some notes in there, things I'm learning as I go along there.